What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to do a review of the Bluehost website builder. Welcome to my channel, Ask Hacker Cheche. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. I am here to help you and to guide you. So please remember to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. All right, so I'm going to review the Bluehost website builder. All right, it's a new platform. Yeah, it's kind of new. All right, and I want to try to use it to build a website in under 5 minutes. So I want to test how easy this is to do and how fast it's going to work out. All right, so the first things first, I've logged into my Bluehost account. By the way, I'm going to leave a link for you in the pinned comment section and also in the description section below so that you could get a discount off of web hosting. All right, from Bluehost. I've been using their hosting services for a while now and I have come to love it. All right, so I've logged into my website, my Bluehost account, and of course this is where you get to land. All right, so the next thing is that I'm going to go to my sites. Okay, so when I get to my sites, I want to add a site, and of course I'm creating a new site. So we have two options here. We either go with WordPress or we go with the Bluehost website builder. So I'm going to go for the Bluehost website builder and I'll click on start building. So I choose this domain name. I'm under directory. I could say new builder. All right, click on next. And we give that some time to load. All right, so awesome. This we are asked about what our site is for. Okay, I'm going to choose let's say go for consulting services and I click on continue. Name your site. I could say ask hacker cheche. Yeah, then I click on continue. So so if we see right here, we could change this cover image or we could upload an image. Okay, there are several options here for a free stock photo, and I think I'll just go with this. I'll click on continue. If we have a logo, we could do that. So I have a logo. I'll click here to upload to see how fast this is. Okay, so as you can see, I've added my logo right here. Then we want to choose a font pair. I think I'm good with, okay, let me go with this Robotos Lab. Continue. Okay, so for brand colors, I would love to go with something purple. Okay, I think I should try this. Okay, then we click on next. Continue. Navigation style. I think this is what I want. So click on continue. All right, so over here for our address, I'm just going to add okay, so for my address, I'm just going to use let's use 10 Ackley Street. All right, for this I use 410001, city in Suka. And for country, have Nigeria. For email, at purpleblogprofits.com. Then for my phone, I'm just gonna put, okay, so let's finish.